Hello everyone and welcome back. So this video is going to go up sooner than some of the others I've already recorded because I wanted to get the word out as quickly as possible. So the Ehlers-Danlos Society at ehlers-danlos.com is announcing a HEDGE study. They've had this going for a while, but they've changed the criteria. In the past, you actually had to attend an event to be able to get in the study. They've changed that. Now you need to get documented proof of meeting the 2017 criteria from your doctor. So you get that proof, you submit it to them. And it needs to not just say, okay, they have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome and they meet the criteria. It needs to literally go through each point, state how much you score on the Beighton scale. If you don't score appropriate for your age, state the other sections that move you up to being appropriate. It's basically some of the same Beighton scale, but you used to be able to do it. Few things like that. Then section 2, if you need 2 of the 3 portions of section 2. If one of the portions you use is section A or feature A, you need to list the 5 or more points that you qualify with that. If it's section B, they need to list that a family member has it. Section C needs to list the pain and or dislocations. And then for part 3, section 3, that's the final part of it, they need to go through and state that you don't have any of those things. And it needs to be very specific and show that all of those criteria have been met. Get documentation of that. Submit it in the you need to sign up for the global registry. There's a place in the global registry that you can upload documentation. Upload that documentation that show you qualify. Then they're going to contact people. They're hoping to have people through by the summer, by September, but they aren't sure. They will be going all through 2020. So even if you submit it and you don't hear, first of all, they aren't starting till late summer, it says. So just wait to see. If you do get selected, they'll do it over an audio conference call or a video conference call, and they'll get your informed consent. They'll arrange for you to go somewhere to have your blood drawn and all of that. The good thing about this is this means that those of us who do not have access, who have not been able to attend and have been waiting to attend a closer event, or who literally can't get to an event, things like that, can submit. They need 1,000 participants. They've only got just over between 400 and 500. So there's over 600 more people they need to enroll. Now, you do have to have hypermobile Ehlers-Danlos syndrome to qualify for this. And so be aware of that. But since that's a big component of the people who have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, this would be a great opportunity, 1, to get your full DNA workup, and 2, to submit for future reference the qualifications of this, and to help find those genes that cause hypermobile EDS, especially since we know they are dominant genes and they run in families. So especially if you can get family members to join you and family members, whatever, that would be very helpful. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.